Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be reviewing the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Long Wear Foundation. I wish I would be recording this a little bit earlier, but I literally just now had time to sit down and film. So I asked you guys on Snapchat if you guys wanted to see this, and tons of you said yes, and I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys from here. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to go pick it up. I found it at Ulta in the shade Light Tan. And shout out to every single one of you because you guys hella hooked it up. You told me that this shade would be a good match for me, even though it looks so light. But tons of you were telling me that it oxidizes on the skin. And so I think this is going to work for us. With that said, this is going to be a wear test. We're going to do a comparison with a brush versus a sponge. I'm also going to be trying out one new products that I've been saving for you guys. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first of all, let me take off these hoops because they're gonna be in the way. So I wanted to test this with you guys since I just got it in the mail not too long ago and I haven't used it. I've smelled it and it smells delicious, but I have not used it. It is the Ofra Cool as a Cucumber. It is a moisturizing primer in one that hydrates, soothes, and smooths. On the back it says, apply a pump or two day and night for moisturizing or before the application of makeup as a base. So that's what we're gonna use it as for today. Let's do 1, 2 pumps. Oh, this smells so good. If you guys love the smell of pepinos, you're gonna love this moisturizer. Ooh, it is a little on the thick side, a tiny bit. You guys know that I love multi-priming. For the sake of this video, since I'm using a affordable foundation, I wanted to use the e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick. I do have a review on this, comparing it to the Milk Makeup if you guys want to watch that. But I apply this strictly right here. And then I will just push it into my skin. You know when flow comes to visit you and you start breaking out everywhere? Current situation right here. I'm going to use the Model's Own face base. Just do 1 pump because this can get oily, especially if you have oily skin. Now let's move on to the foundation. First of all, packaging, pretty cute. Price, great. It was $8.99 or $9, $10, something like that. Their color selection sucks. I don't know if that's how it is in every store, but at my Ulta, they only had like 2 shades more of this, and then that was it. So on this side of my face, I'm going to use, I feel like I want to use the brush because I have a feeling that the brush is going to cover more, and then the sponge on this side, this is the Morphe sponge. Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you guys my little e.l.f. palette that I told you. I've been loving it. I'm going to get it. So remember how I did that e.l.f. haul and I showed you guys this? It's a little mixing palette. It came in so handy. Literally, that's all I do. I just put it on my hand and then I will just go in with my brush and just start applying it. So it claims to be medium to full coverage, smooth long wear suede finish. Okay, so there is 1 layer. I can still see my big ass uninvited pimple right there. That little mancha that is right here is not covered yet. I'm gonna go in with a 2nd layer and let's see how that looks. Here is the 2nd layer. My skin does look yellow. I don't know if you can pick it up from camera, but I feel like I can definitely see it. But again, I am hoping that it does oxidize and it'll match me a little bit better. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe sponge. Let me tell you that it's a lot faster, obviously, to apply. This side definitely has to be the winner for me. I'm going to go in and apply a little bit more. So I went ahead and finished off the rest of my face makeup. I did just bronzing, contouring, lips, lashes. That's it. Highlight, obviously. We're going to seal the deal, honey. We're going to take the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. I am using the shade Cucumber because it smells amazing. guys, I've been setting my face pretty much every time that I do my makeup. Oh my god, I just inhaled that. Girl, I almost choked on that. I think it looks beautiful. And I know that I have a few bumps here, but you totally cannot see those anymore. And then this little mancha right here. Unfortunately, the only reason why you can really see it still is because it's a dry pimple. So it's at the point where it's like at its dying stage, but it's still ugly because I pinched it. You know what I mean? But for the rest of the face, I think it looks really pretty. I wasn't liking it at the beginning. Now that I see it on my skin, it's actually like a perfect match. I'm gonna go on about my day. I actually have to run to Walmart and get some stuff. Hopefully I run into new makeup. But I will be back and we will see how this foundation holds. So it's been about 6 hours now, so let's do the check-in. Wow. Okay, pues. So what I can tell you from looking at my skin right now, I have little arruguitas right here, literally like, and then one here. You guys can see this one, that one. My foundation always sets in there, but I have laugh lines and I have arruguitas. So my foundation always sets in. Even if I bake, it will still set in my lines. It's so annoying. The sides of my nose look a little bit cakey, and I do look a little bit shiny throughout here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not noticeable, and it's not an insane amount of oil, which tells you that this foundation is amazing for us oily girls. I really don't know what else to say about this besides I like it, I approve it. For the price, it's totally worth it. That wraps it up for today's video. I actually need to go and take a shower because I am sweaty. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you found this review helpful. If you guys want to see more foundations on reviews, like wear tests, please let me know. I love doing these. These are one of my favorite videos to film. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.